Hi everyone, my name is Allison Grosz. I'm an attorney and a partner with Hemrick PLLC here in New York City. Today I want to talk about the Freedom of Information Act request and what is a Freedom of Information Act request, which is commonly referred to as a FOIA. A Freedom of Information Act request, or a FOIA, is a request that can be made to several various government-related agencies, but in this particular context, we're going to be talking about the immigration-related agencies. A person can make a FOIA request to USCIS, to the Customs and Border Patrol, to the Department of State, to the Immigration Court, and of course, there are a few other FOIA requests that can be made related to immigration matters, but these are the most common ones. Now, of these four that I just listed, the most common FOIA request would be to either the Immigration Court to get a copy of your entire immigration record, or as they call record of proceeding, which is commonly referred to as an ROP, or to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Now, a FOIA request should be made under various circumstances, but they're extremely important for people who want to get a copy of their entire immigration record or file. This is important because sometimes if your case is denied and you want a copy of the entire file, if you plan on refiling or doing an appeal of your case, you of course want to have the entire case in front of you of what you submitted to the Immigration Service. And also, sometimes when you get this back, you get a copy of the immigration officers or DHS officers' notes on your case, and you can glean a little bit of an understanding about why you reached a certain decision in your case. That's not always the case, but sometimes the officer's notes slip through, and sometimes we can get a little bit better of an understanding about why a certain decision was made in your case. So if you plan on refiling a case, if you plan on appealing a negative decision in a case, even if you've had a positive decision in your case and you just want to know what was previously filed in any prior applications or petitions to the Immigration Services, then a FOIA request is a really good idea to do. With the Immigration Court, you definitely want to do an FOIA request if you plan on proceeding, of course, in Immigration Court, or if you plan on appealing a case or doing any later application or petition, whether it's before USCIS or before the Immigration Court. This is because we need to have a copy as attorneys, and also you as an individual, of everything that was given to the Immigration Service and everything that was said, done, notices, and any other documents that may have been related to your immigration case. The good news about FOIA requests, specifically related to the USCIS or Immigration Court FOIA requests, is a couple different things. It can be done online. It's free of charge from any government filing fees. And nowadays, this is different than what it was very recently. Nowadays, we're getting very quick responses from both the Immigration Court and USCIS. The reason why the turnaround is so quick for a lot of cases nowadays is because everything has pretty much gone electronic for newly filed cases after 2021. That's not to say that you can't get a very old case that was filed sometimes decades ago, and that will usually be what they call a paper record of proceeding or a paper ROP. It will take a little bit longer of time, and sometimes they send you these paper ROP results in either a CD format, but sometimes you can also get the results online. Now, like I said, the good news is there is no government filing fee related to FOIA requests. However, it is important that you would file a FOIA request correctly, because that will inform the results of the FOIA request that you get and ensure that you get the entire record that you're seeking. It's extremely important to work with a qualified immigration attorney if you are planning on filing a new application or petition, if you've ever filed any former applications or petitions, and that also includes non-immigrant or immigrant visa applications with the Department of State. Sometimes in the USCIS FOIA results or the Immigration Court FOIA results, we can actually get Department of State visa application results as well. And it's a very good idea to have everything in front of you when proceeding in any new or continuing immigration case. This is especially true if you are hiring a new attorney, if you're planning on doing a new case on your own, or if you are even continuing with a presently pending case, but you don't have a copy of that for whatever reason. We here at Hemrick O'Malley lean very strongly towards doing FOIA requests for many different cases because we get a lot of information that clients never have or never even know about their own case from FOIA results. You can feel free to reach us online at hemrick.law, or you can call us at 833-848-7838. We can answer any questions that you have about if you need a FOIA request, why you should do a FOIA request, or about any other immigration matter. We look forward to hearing from you, and until next time, I look forward to talking to everyone soon.